Do you ever struggle with how to organize your essay? Making an outline is an important part of writing a good essay. But before you write an essay, you need a plan. Before you begin writing the first draft of your essay, you really should make an outline. An outline is a general plan of what you will write in your essay. Making an outline can be compared to drawing plans to build a house. In the same way that you don't want to build a house without good plans, you also need a good outline to be able to write a well-organized essay. Writing an outline will help to make your essay more organized. Having a plan will keep your body paragraphs focused on the ideas in your thesis statement. And in many ways, an outline saves time for writers. It may take time to prepare the outline, but you'll be able to write the rough draft of your essay more quickly than if you did not use an outline. Now here's a sample outline for an essay. The first paragraph is your introduction that includes your thesis statement. And the next three body paragraphs each have their own topic sentence with supporting ideas. And finally, you have a conclusion paragraph. Each topic sentence should include the main ideas or points from the thesis statement in your introduction. So the first thing you want to do in your essay outline is to write your thesis statement. Now this sentence will include all the ideas that you want to discuss in your essay. Each of the topic sentences will be connected to that thesis statement. So you want to begin with your thesis statement. Let's try using this thesis statement to practice how we would write and use an outline. The dependence on technology is causing more people to be negatively affected in numerous ways, including less memorizing of information, lack of social interaction, and laziness. We will want to begin filling out our outline by using our three main points from the thesis statement. Now let's take our sample thesis statement again and fill in our outline. Each of the topic sentences or the main points will have their own sentence, which includes the ideas in our thesis statement. The first idea, less memorizing of information, will be in our topic sentence number 1. One effect of dependence on technology is that there is less need to memorize certain information. Then topic sentence number 2 will include the second main point, lack of social interaction. And the third main point, laziness, will be in the third topic sentence. The dependence on technology has also caused many people to become lazy. All right, now we need to begin filling in our outline. We will put our topic sentences into each of our main points for the essay like this. Now the next step is to think of some supporting ideas. After each of the topic sentences, we need to add the supporting ideas. These can include explanation of the idea or examples or evidence. So perhaps after doing some brainstorming, you think of these three things that explain how the dependence on technology is causing less need to memorize certain information. Using the calculator is much easier than memorizing even simple math problems. And most of us don't memorize telephone numbers anymore. And spell check helps us to make sure our spelling is correct, so we don't need to memorize how to spell things correctly. Now we will use these ideas to help write our first paragraph. It might read something like this. One effect of dependence on technology is that there is less need to memorize certain information. For example, being able to use the calculator allows many users to not need to remember basic math calculations anymore. There is also no need to memorize telephone numbers. In addition, spell check functions fix any spelling or grammar problems. Now you can see that by having this outline, writing your paragraph becomes a lot easier. Then we will continue to do the same thing for the other paragraphs. For a social interaction, you might come up with these ideas. Many people are addicted to their smartphone. Even when they are with other people, they are more interested in their interactions on social media than conversing with the people they are with. Parents are distracted on their phones and often do not communicate with their children. All right, now we need to finish our third paragraph. It could be something like this. The dependence on technology has also caused many people to become lazy. For example, there are many machines that will do our work for us, such as washing machines and dishwashers. In addition, we can access various types of entertainment easily without moving from our sofas. With online shopping, there's no need to walk to the store. So I hope that you've seen that using an outline like this will help you to organize and write your essay easier. Taking just a few minutes to make an outline before you start writing your essay should improve your writing skills. Now, this is something you can do at the beginning of a writing test, such as IELTS or TOEFL as well. Taking just a few minutes to write down your main ideas will help to keep your essay organized and easier to write. So before you begin writing the first draft of your essay, you really should make an outline. Having a plan will keep your body paragraphs focused on the ideas in your thesis statement. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out my other videos about writing better sentences, paragraphs, and essays. Happy writing!